Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have cosine x to the power of 3. I can put into cosine x squared and cosine x. Next, we have the formula in here. Cosine x squared plus sine x squared equals to number 1. So we have cosine x squared in here. So I will put this one go to the right. So we have cosine x squared equals to number 1 minus sine x squared. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, so 1 plus 1 is about number 2. Now, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine x. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have cosine x dx. This one we change by u and we have u squared. Similar for this one, and this one. Cosine x dx we change by du. And now we need to expand this one. So we need to add about u squared. Later that we need to minus about u squared in here. So this one we have negative number 4 u squared. So this one divide by this one. So we have number 1. Next, u squared and u squared we can do about factorization. And number 2 I will put outside in here. So that should be like this. So u squared divided by u squared, we have number 1. This one. So I will put number 2 go outside. So we need to add about u squared. Later that we need to minus about u squared. So this one divided by this one, we have number 1. U squared divided by u squared, we have number 1. And now we have 1 over u squared minus 1 over u squared plus 1. So number 2 multiplied by number 1 and number 1. Negative number 4, negative number 2, we have negative number 6. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, we have u. The next one, that is about negative number 6 or tan of u, and the last one negative number 2 over u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about sin s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.